Bitcoin, we start with daily chart, and as we can see, the price almost near to the all-time high, and we want to see the breakout of the all-time high. And we have been looking for buy since the price was exactly here, and this is what we get since last a few days. It was going quite sharp. And if you refer to our analysis, we discuss about moving our stop loss to break even. Anyway, at this point, we want to see whether the price can break all-time high, because with the breakout of the all-time high, the next target based on daily chart we are looking for is at least 135K. Anyway, at this point, since the price almost reached all-time high for me, I'm not looking for buy unless I see the breakout. That's why we have been looking for buy since the price was exactly within here. Anyway, if we move to lower time frame, we want to see what we have it. And if we move to 4-hour chart, because we had the opportunity to look for buy after the breakout of this one. All right. As I mentioned, at least if anyone holding the trade within this move, at least move their stop. They should book some profit at this point, somewhere around 119 or somewhere around 118. It depends where they get. Okay. Because if there is a breakout, then we adjust. If there is a reversal and the drop, then at least we can book some profit. And if we move to 1-hour chart, similar explanation. We see we have a divergence at this point, but we don't need to care based on for divergence. All right, based on lower time frame. And we want to see what will even higher time frame. We want to see what we will see whether the price can break or not. If we see the price couldn't break the all-time high, then we have to care. I mean, we see the correction at the all-time high, then we have to be quite careful. But at this point, we're looking for continuation. Anyway, I'm looking, as I mentioned, we're looking for 135. Then with the breakout of the 135, at least we can look for 170. We had this target since the price was exactly within this part, within this zone. All right. And as I mentioned, we want to see the only thing is whether the price can break all-time high or not. Then if there is a breakout, any flag from there, we will take it. But at this point, the only things we do, we try just to protect our trade. We don't want to buy at as long as the price is below all-time high. We don't see the breakout. For me, I'm not looking for buy. I want to see the breakout. Then from there, we want to see whether how sharp it can move. And even based on weekly chart, we have a divergence. As I mentioned, we don't need to care, because if there is a breakout, then as a sharp, then these things will disappear. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. We want to see what we get. The only thing is within the next few hours, whether we want to see whether the price can break 124 or not. Okay. Again, if we move to daily chart, the price is almost there. The only thing is we want to see the breakout. That's why I consider to see the breakout will be 124. Anyway, we follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.